Can you read people? Welcome back to Skill Sage Pathways. Today, we're delving into the art of reading people. Whether you are closing deals, hiring staff, or enhancing daily interactions, recognizing non-verbal cues is essential and can enhance your ability to connect and succeed. According to many studies, only 7% of all communication is done through verbal communication, whereas the non-verbal component of our daily communication, such as the tonality of our voice and body language, make up 38% and 55% respectively. Non-verbal communication is essential for trust and authority. So, here are a few key signals to observe. Crossed arms, often a sign of defensiveness or resistance. This pose can suggest the person is not fully open to the ideas being presented. Then, genuine versus non-genuine smile. A genuine smile involves eyes which crinkle at the corners and the cheeks lift visibly. In contrast, a non-genuine smile typically involves only the mouth, which can signal politeness but not real agreement or genuine emotions. Sensing atmosphere. Beyond facial expressions, sensing a person's overall body language, whether it's tense or relaxed, can be discerned from open versus closed postures and the level of eye contact. Remember, true listening involves grasping not just words, but also the context and emotions behind them. In settings like negotiations or interviews, the unspoken can reveal as much as the spoken. Pay attention to tone, pace, and hesitations, as they often disclose much about a person's real thoughts or feelings. Reading people is pivotal in tailoring business strategies. Non-verbal communication can help you gain a person's trust, confidence, and respect way faster than verbal communication. Applying knowledge of body language in business settings can significantly enhance your interactions and strategic decisions. During negotiations, detecting hesitancy can be crucial. Signs include minimal eye contact, fidgeting, or frequent pauses while speaking. Such behaviors often indicate uncertainty or discomfort with the discussion, providing you an opportunity to address concerns directly and reassure the counterpart. While hiring, stress response in candidates can be observed through rapid speech, shallow breathing, or sweating. These signs can help determine a candidate's ability to handle pressure. Selecting business partners, confidence and trustworthiness are often reflected in steady eye contact, firm handshakes, and open, relaxed postures. In contrast, a potential partner who often touches their face or avoids eye contact might be less confident or hiding something. Again, with consistent practice, you will be able to decode body language and respond in ways that foster deeper relationships and unlock new opportunities. Enhancing your skills in reading people requires practice. So how can you do this? A good practice is to observe interactions in a cafe or watch interviews on mute to decode body language. Reflect on these experiences to understand behavioral patterns and motives better. So, are you ready to advance your skills in reading people? Subscribe for more insights on developing vital life and business skills for business success and meaningful connections. See you in the next video.